Hi Virgos, welcome to your end of the year forecast 2020. Please remember that this is a general reading, so take from it what you can and leave the rest for others. Time is fluid, and the months that I'm going to be covering would be September to December. So, spirits, guides, angels, show me clearly what messages you have for Virgos. We have a lot of air and earth energy here, Virgos. I kind of feel like you have the card of the strength here. You've been dealing with quite a few things. And you have been exhibiting a lot of strength here, Virgos. I feel like it's time that you let go of harsh judgments around people. And you need to deal with the situation you're going through with a little more compassion and forgiveness in your heart. Remember, you don't know what the other person's journey is all about. I also feel like a lot of you Virgos are being either too frivolous or too cautious around money. But you are definitely making good business decisions here with the Four of Earth, is what I see. And some of you Virgos may even be leaning to, helping out someone who may be in need at this point in time. Some of you could straight away be reaching out to do charity, and that's kind of good work. I am seeing so much abundance coming into your life in the coming times, Virgos. These are some amazing cards here. Let me draw some more. I also feel that you're either looking to sign contracts with someone or some contracts which were due in the past that may see completion right now or may finally see or come to fruition right now. Wow. Virgos, you have some rock solid pentacles here. So I also feel that you are now in a better command and position of yourself. Your cards are somewhat like Libras. And I also feel there's a time to celebrate coming up here. I don't know, because Virgos, we are doing this end of the year forecast in your month, in the month of September. Therefore, I feel that it's either your birthday you're celebrating. I don't know why I'm eating my words. You're celebrating your birthday. There is some kind of good news coming into your life, and I see that your heart is opening up once again. That's looking nice. After a long time for Virgos, I see that. All right. Okay. Get a clarify on that. So Virgos, I feel like you are definitely making plans to expand, and these are not just based on temporary ideas. You're looking to expand big and go far ahead in future than where you are right now. So some kind of offer, some people coming in to do that for you might be here. Along with that, I also feel that you somewhere feel that may not happen. You were feeling that it may not happen with you soon, but yeah, and you could be feeling like, all that you have built or created, these are just ideas, never going to give you good results. Is that so, Spirit? Not really. At this moment in time, you're clearing your path from all the old obstructions or people, situations, or ideas that were definitely not for your highest good. And I'm also being guided to ask you to take care of your health here. You could be a little, you could be overlooking some things. If you need to make a change in your diet, your exercise regime, or pick up one if you don't have one, or maybe change your sleeping patterns or give yourself more rest, do that right now in the month of September so that you're proceeding in the further months better. I also feel that a situation that seemed to be getting out of hand is finally coming to you, and that's making you feel quite good. You had somewhere lost hope about it, but it's coming back to you. I see such a good time of abundance and promises coming into your life. It's like the old doors have been shut tight on the things that were definitely not going to work out for you anyway. And here I see that you are moving on, and somewhere you could even be this ruthless decision maker worrying about your um, growth, That's all right because I feel that there are some people around you at your workplace or, who are kind of a little jealous of you or don't have your highest good in their minds for you. We have the card of the moon, and they could be doing a lot of backbiting. They could even be stalking your moves. They could be trying to steal your ideas. I remember, Virgos, a few weeks back in your reading, I did say that they could be trying to steal your ideas and claim it as their own. Yeah, and you don't know who these people are because you trust them. They are very close by, and you don't have the slightest doubt on who they are. So be very discreet. I also see a relationship here. What's with this? Oh, a relationship that has not been going the way you expected it to or that you would like for it to. There could be some revelations happening here or some misconceptions arising around this situation. Virgos, so take care of that. I also feel something could be revealed to you. There could be a communication happening, and that brings in on a lot of healing, or um, that washes away a lot of these misconceptions in your mind with regards to a relationship or a connection. With the card of the wheel, this is like a definite time for positive change for you, Virgos. So much of a respite in your life, and you'll see that suddenly things will seem to move forward just in the right direction. Fortune is on your side, I can say that. And this is not by luck or by chance, Virgos. You have been manifesting this. And it's here for your taking. There is new love with the Page of Cups appearing here in your life. There is someone new stepping into your life, wanting to give you their heart. This could be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And with the Ace of Cups, I do not doubt that there could be more than one person offering you their love here. But you being the Queen of Swords, again, remember, this is not got to be only the female in the reading. I don't attach gender to my cards. This could be you knowing where to go, what you want from life, or a particular person or a situation in your life, and being very clear about it. With the King of Wands, I definitely see a lot more people stepping into your life, very powerful people coming into your life to help you either with your ideas or stand as guards against all odds around you. Um, with the Ten of Wands, give me a little more clarity, Spirit. Wheel of Fortune. So we have two Wheel of Fortunes in your reading, and I feel that I'm going to leave this reading there and get more answers from the universe. So with the Wheel of Fortune, I feel that you may be doing a lot of mental and physical work and in this realm, in this reality, and that's paying off for you. Look at what beautiful cards I have for you. Do you see? Do you have been manifesting this abundance? So all the hard work you have done in the past is being rewarded to you. Rewarded. Here Virgos. Amazing. So this card just plopped out from the deck, and this is from the angels. I have to read this to you. The theme of the card is nurture. As you nurture a child, you nurture your own inner child. Both activities are important for you right now, Virgos. You've got to take care of this. You've got to take care of yourself. With the Ten of Wands, I told you, you have been dealing with a lot of things in the past. You've been doing a lot of hard work, and that's going to get paid right now. But you've got to take care of yourself in the process. You've got to take care of your health, your well-being. From the universe, can you please give me a message for Virgos? My wonderful Virgos. We have the card of unity. A time of divine understanding, renewal, peace, and hope. You radiate and attract great love. I have been speaking about wonderful love and a fabulous time of abundance in your reading here, Virgos. And here again, we get the card of unity, just validating that for you. We also have the card of proposal, Virgos. You guys are, I feel like somebody finds you very attractive or really sexy. And at this point in time, you are up for a proposal if you're single, and a romantic or business opportunity is indicated here for you. So Virgos, this looks like a super reading. Let me get some more cards for you. Okay. We have plain. A journey is indicated either physically or metaphorically. Your life will become more full. So Virgos, if you have been feeling that you need to travel, or you've been feeling quite stuck in your life, things are moving in the right direction. So you need not worry where things are going for you. It's just the right ingredients popping into your life right now is what I see. I have a card from Spirit for you. Yeah, we have two. So one is nature. This is the time to absorb the healing properties that nature has to offer. Your mind, body, and soul need nourishment, energy, revitalization, and strength. Nature has much to offer, so take this time to connect and spend some quality time outdoors. This is what you can do. So remember, from the angels, we had nurture for you, and from the spirits, we have nature for you. Go into the nature to help yourself get nurtured. That didn't rhyme, did that? But you got the message. So Virgos, and another card that I got for you was embrace the moment. Embrace this day, this very moment. Think positively today and repel those negative thoughts. Try not to judge yourself or others. This may be harder than you think, and this is related to the first card, or the card of the strength that I got for you, that spoke about looking at other person's perspective too, and forgiving them and forgiving yourself as well. So the spirit is reiterating this message for you. This may be harder than you think. What is actually happening is that you're changing your energy. You are definitely growing. You are growing so fast, dear Virgos. This is like completing one big cycle in a matter of few hours. I don't know. They say that um, one moment is enough to change you, and whether everything around you has been leading you to that in the past few months, few weeks, few years, but this moment is here for you right now, and it's a beautiful moment for you. I wish you all the love and luck and success, Virgos. Stay happy, stay healthy, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon if you haven't already done that. Do remember, if you would like a private reading from me, you can find my email ID in the description box below and shoot me a mail there. If you'd like a free reading from me, you can join me on my Facebook and Instagram pages, where I often go live to offer these free readings. The description box again has the names and links to these two places. And until we meet again, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay beautiful. Bye bye.